Hello learners, hope you all are doing good. Today in this video, we are going to discuss 20 more questions which we discussed in last video. Okay, so firstly, let me just give you some short descriptions what we are going to discuss, what we have discussed in last video. So in last video, we have covered 20 questions for this exam. So basically, Oracle is giving free certifications, okay, and for having those certifications, um, you need to register yourself with Oracle, and then you can schedule your exams. So you will have the MCQ questions around 40. It will give you 60 minutes of time, and you need to follow these steps to give this exam. Okay, so we have already discussed 20 questions. Now let's start with the other 20 questions. Okay, so let's start with the 21st question. Which factor does not impact the cost of running virtual machine in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? So I think the correct option for this is the operating system used by VM instance. So I think this one is the correct answer. Why I'm saying this, because as you know that uh, the operating system used does not does not directly affect the cost or pricing. It is based on resource and region. Now let's move with the next question, which is basically which statement best describe the default authentication behavior for user and groups in OCI identity and access management. So as you know, OCI uses explicit policy based across access controls. No access is granted unless it is defined in OCI policy. So that's why I think the correct option will be access to resource is explicitly granted in policy, otherwise it is denied by default. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Now next question is which is not a component of an identity and access management policy statement in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So basically, data backup frequency is unrelated to IAM policy structure. So third option is the correct option. Now, which statement is not true about compartment in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? So basically, you need to go through all these options, and you will find that compartments provide a way to store and manage encryption keys and secrets are basically wrong. It is wrong. It is not the correct statement. Basically, compartments are for organizing the resource. It is not for storing secrets and encryption keys. Okay. So next question is what is the recommended best practice for OCI tenancy administrators? So basically, OCI tenancy administrators are used for enforcing the MFA, enhanced security for administrative access. So the third option is the correct option. So I will go with the third option. Now, where are the cryptographic operations performed for a vault master encryption key protected by a hardware security model, HSM? So basically, HSM is a basically it ensures secure cryptographic operation by performing them within the hardware module. So the correct answer is on the HSM. Okay. Now, which security service in OCI help against a distributed denial of service attack? which is basically DDoS attack. Okay, so OCI WF filter and block malicious traffic, including DDoS attacks. So the first option, OCI Web Application Firewall, is the correct one. Now, what is the advantage of storing secrets in a vault in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? So basically, if you know that vaults securely store secret and reduces exposure risk in code. So the fourth option, it provides greater security than storing them in a code or configurational file. Which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Services is responsible for securely stored and managing encryption keys and secret? So we just discussed this question. It is similar to that only. Oracle OCI Vault is designed for storing the secure key and secret management. So the first option is correct. Which feature is not provided by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Security Zones? So basically, security zones enforces policy, but it do not store encryption key. So the fourth option is the correct one. As in above question, we already discussed that Vault in OCI Vault is the correct answer, which is storing and managing the encryption keys and secrets. Now, 31st, which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure service is not designed for use with multiple cloud providers? So, the correct answer is MySQL HeatWave is a native OCI service and not built for multi-cloud integration. So, MySQL HeatWave database services, which is the second option, that will be the correct. Okay, which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offering allow you to run cloud services in your own data center while maintaining the regulatory compliance? So basically, OCI dedicated region brings full OCI services to customer data centers. That means the correct answer is B, OCI dedicated regions, because it helps to bring full OCI services to customer data center. Which component of Oracle Cloud Network Infrastructure Networking Services provides a private connection between a VCN and a premises network? So these questions are a bit tricky. You need to be very careful while reading your questions, understand what is the question demanding, and then accordingly you need to give the answer. So if you see here, it is asking provide a private connection between a VCN and on-premises network. That means the correct answer will be dynamic routing gateway. Why dynamic routing gateway? Because DRG enables secure private connectivity between OCI and on-premises networks. Okay. So next question is, what is the primary purpose of network security NSG in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Networking Service? So basically, a question is demanding what is the primary purpose of NSG. So basically, NSG define security rules for traffic between resources in a VCN. So the correct option is to control traffic flow between a specific resource within a VCN. Okay. Now next question is, which network component of OCI virtual cloud network provide compute instances in a private subnet with outbound internet access? So you might have seen last 2 3 questions are very similar, but it is having different answers. So you need to be very careful um, while reading your questions. Okay. uh, okay, we did not discuss the 35 question. What is the primary function of a route table in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Networking Service? So basically we are here question is, what is the like function of route table? So route table determines how traffic exits a subnet to external destination. So the second option, to define rules to route traffic from subnet to destination outside the VCN. Now this question, which network component of OCI virtual cloud network provides a compute instance in a private subnet with outbound internet access? So basically the answer is NAT, a network address translation gateway. So what basically NAT does is like it allows the outbound internet access from private subnet. Okay, now question number 37, which type of load balancing policy supported by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure load balancer? So basically it supported basically round robin, weighted round robin it is supporting. So weighted round robin distributes traffic based on assigned weights. Okay, so it totally dependent upon the weights. Now next question is, which component of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure network services allow resource in a VCN to access OCI without using public internet? Okay, so without using public internet, that means it will be service gateway. Why service gateway? Because service gateway enables private access to OCI service from a VCN. So please read these questions carefully and then answer. So whenever question is asking without using the public internet, it will be service gateway. Okay. What does Oracle Cloud Advisor helps you with? So basically Oracle Cloud Advisor provides insights to optimize the cost, performance and availability. So the third option will be the correct option. Now we are going to discuss the last question, how are compartment quotas applied in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? Basically, quotas are enforced at the compartment level to control resource usage. So, the correct answer for this question is on a per compartment basis. So this is the correct answer, and we have covered all those pending 20 questions. Now it will be a very like good set of questions where you can read and give this exam and pass with 100%. Let me know if you have any challenge. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go through the old video because this video is still relevant to you. Please subscribe and uh, then share it with your friends. Thank you and good luck for your exam.